Hello students, today we will see some more concepts from straight line, and that is different forms of equations of a line. In my previous video on straight line we had already seen some basic concepts from straight line like inclination of a line, slope of a line, condition for parallel and perpendicular lines, and formula to find angle between two lines. So this video is the continuation of that, in which we will see different forms of equations of a line. So let's start with that. Very first thing is equation of horizontal or vertical line. So let's see how to write its equation. So as you know that to write equation of any line, we need to consider one coordinate plane containing x-axis, y-axis, and this is the origin. As we are seeing equation of horizontal or vertical line, so let's take horizontal line first. So for horizontal line, we need to consider a line which is parallel to x-axis. So let's see a line which is parallel to x-axis. It can be either above the x-axis or below the x-axis like this. So suppose above the x-axis it is at a distance of a units. Similarly below the x-axis also it is at a distance of a units. So the point of intersection of this line with y-axis will be above the x-axis it will be 0, a, and below the x-axis it will be 0, minus a. Right? So whenever it is a horizontal line, it will be a line which is parallel to x-axis. It can be either above the x-axis or below the x-axis. So if it is above the x-axis, its equation is written as y equal to, at whichever point it is cutting the y-axis, its y coordinate, that is y is equal to a, and below the x-axis it is y equal to minus a. So equation of horizontal line is given by y equal to constant. That constant will be positive if line is above the x-axis, and that constant will be negative if line is below the x-axis. Similarly, for vertical line also, let's consider coordinate plane. Now it is vertical line, so it will be parallel to y-axis. Either it will be on the left side of y-axis or right side of y-axis. So left side or right side of y-axis. So suppose x-axis, this line is cutting the x-axis at b, 0. This is positive because it is on the positive x-axis, and here it will be minus b, 0. So equation of a line which is a vertical line means it is parallel to y-axis. It is given by x equal to minus b if line is to the left of y-axis, and equation will be x equal to b if line is to the right of y-axis. So it's very simple. Equation of horizontal line is given by y equal to some constant, and equation of vertical line is given by x equal to some constant. So this is how we give equation of horizontal or vertical line. Now let's see next form of equation, that is slope point form. For that let's consider one line. एक line हम consider करेंगे जिसका कि slope जो है वो हम consider करेंगे m. Since it is slope point form, means slope is given and point is also given. Point is suppose a, whose coordinates are x0, y0. This is the given point. A is the given point and m is the slope. So whenever we need to find equation of a line, we need to consider one variable point. So let's consider that variable point as r. A variable point, its coordinates are considered as x comma y. So R is the variable point, A is the given point, and we want to write equation. So it's very simple. Now from this diagram we can write slope of AR, which is y1 y minus y0 upon x minus x1. This is how we find slope when 2 points are given, but slope is already given as m. So m is y minus y0 upon x minus x0. So now shifting this term will give you m times x minus x0 equal to y minus y0. So equation of a line in slope point form is given by y minus y0 is equal to m times x minus x0, where x0 comma y0 are the coordinates of the given point, m is the slope, and x comma y are the coordinates of the variable point. So अब बच्चों हम एक example लेंगे. Example, suppose we want to write equation of a line whose slope is suppose 3 and given point on the line is minus 2 comma 3. And suppose हमें equation लिखनी है, तो directly with the help of this form we can write its equation. Equation will be simply y minus, now y coordinate of this given point is 3, so y minus 3 is equal to m is 3 slope bracket में x minus x coordinate of this given point which is minus 2, so it is y minus 3 is equal to 3 times x plus 2. Now we can simplify this and we can write y minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 6. अब इसको हम और सिंप्लीफाइड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लेकर आ सकते हैं. So we can write 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is how we can find equation of a line when its slope and one of the point is given. Okay, so this is second form. Now let's see next form, which is 2-point form. Now in 2-point form, 2 points are given on the line, and here we are considering A and B as the given points. तो A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स जो है वो हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं x1, y1 एंड B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स x2, y2. एंड R इज एज यूजुअल इट इज द वेरिएबल पॉइंट. तो वेरिएबल पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स जो है वो हमेशा हम x, y कंसिडर करते हैं. नाउ फ्रॉम द डायग्राम we can say that slope of AR, this slope of this thing, right, is equal to slope of AB, because they coincides, means they are kind of parallel lines which coincides, so they will have same slope. Now slope of AR will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to slope of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is the equation of a line in 2-point form. Now let's take example of 2-point form. Suppose 2 points which are given on the line are 2, 3, which is A, and second point is minus 1, 4. So suppose these 2 points are given on the line and we want to write its equation. So directly we can make use of this form, which is 2-point form. Equation, for writing equation, let's consider this first point coordinates as x1, y1 and second point as x2, y2, and then let's use this formula. So equation of a line is, in this case it is, see बच्चों x और y जो है वो एज इट इज ही रहने वाला है, बिकॉज ये जो है ये हम कंसिडर करते हैं वेरिएबल पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स. तो y और x को हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे y माइनस, अब देखिए y1 जो है वो है 3, सो y माइनस 3 अपॉन x माइनस x1 इज 2, सो x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू, नाउ सी इट इज y2 माइनस y1, तो y2 माइनस y1 मतलब 4 माइनस 3 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 which is minus 1 minus 2. Now we can simplify this. So y minus 3 upon x minus 2 is 1 upon minus 3, like this. अब इसको हम और simplify कर सकते हैं. तो what we can write is minus 3 times y minus 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 2, which is minus 3y plus 9 is equal to x minus 2, and then we will write it in a form where all the terms are on one side. So it can be written as x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a line passing through points A and B. So we are using 2 points form. Okay. Now let's see next form, which is slope intercept form. So let's consider a line in a coordinate plane as it is a slope intercept form. So we need to consider a line which is making intercept. So there are two types of intercepts, x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is the x coordinate of a point at which line cuts the x-axis. So suppose x-intercept is A, right? So if x-intercept is A, point at which line cuts the x-axis will be A comma 0. And suppose y-intercept is C. See, I have considered it C because we write slope intercept form in one standard form. So उसको हम C consider करते हैं. So ये point जो होगा ये होगा 0, C. So अब आपको intercept समझ में आ गया कि x intercept जो है वो है A and y intercept जो है वो है C, right? It is slope intercept form. So intercepts are considered. Now let's consider that slope of this line is m. Slope जो है वो है m. Now slope is m, and to write equation we always consider one variable point. So suppose that variable point is r with coordinates x, y. अब देखिए हम इक्वेशन कैसे लिखेंगे. Now here जैसे कि हम सबसे अब यहाँ पे बच्चों जो है 2 फॉर्म्स में इक्वेशन होती है. इस फॉर्म में 2 फॉर्म है. पहले होती है इक्वेशन y इंटरसेप्ट के फॉर्म में और दूसरी इक्वेशन जो है वो हमको x इंटरसेप्ट के फॉर्म में भी मिल सकती है. सो सबसे पहले हम फोकस करेंगे y इंटरसेप्ट के फॉर्म में. नाउ y इंटरसेप्ट ये है c एंड पॉइंट जो है लाइन पर वो है 0, c एंड स्लोप जो है वो है m एंड वेरिएबल पॉइंट है r. सो अगर हम इस पॉइंट को कंसीडर करते हैं सपोज b और इसको हम ले लेते हैं a, तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि स्लोप ऑफ, और ये जो है यहाँ पर r वेरिएबल पॉइंट है, स्लोप ऑफ बी आर विल बी सिंपली y minus c upon x minus 0. See what we are writing? Slope of br. b is 0, c and r is here x, y. तो 2 point form का जो formula हम use करते हैं that we are using slope of br. But slope of this line is already given and br is along the line, br coincides with the line. So slope m ही होगा. m is equal to y minus c upon x. x minus 0 is x. Now shift this x on this side. So mx is equal to y minus c. अब जो standard form इसका होता है वो होता है y is equal to mx plus c. So y equal to mx plus c is called slope intercept form where c is the y intercept. c जो है वो y intercept है. अब अगर सेम चीज हमको x intercept के फॉर्म में लिखनी है, राइट? तो x intercept जो हमने कंसिडर किया है वो है a एंड पॉइंट जो लाइन और x एक्सिस का कॉमन पॉइंट है वो है कैपिटल A. सो अगर हम लेते हैं स्लोप ऑफ ए आर, तो स्लोप ऑफ ए आर जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देखिए ये y माइनस 0 अपॉन x माइनस a, बट स्लोप इज m बिकॉज ए आर कोइंसाइड्स विद द लाइन. सो y अपॉन x माइनस a. अब जब हम इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे तो इट इज m टाइम्स x माइनस a इज इक्वल टू y. बट यूजुअली जो है हम यूज करते हैं y इंटरसेप्ट वाली. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, बट समटाइम्स वी कैन यूज x इंटरसेप्ट इक्वेशन ऑल्सो विच इज स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. अब एक अगर हम सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल लें कि सपोज स्लोप जो है वो है लाइन का 2 एंड सपोज y इंटरसेप्ट इज -1, देन वी वांट टू राइट इक्वेशन. देन इक्वेशन इज इट्स slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to m is 2, x plus c, c is minus 1, means y equal to 2x minus 1. This is the equation. This is how we write slope intercept form, where minus 1 is the y-intercept. Now next form is double intercept form. So double intercept form के लिए again let's consider a line. So as its name suggests, it is double intercept form. So equation is in the form of x-intercept as well as y-intercept. Suppose x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. So accordingly, point of intersection of y-axis with the line will be 0, b, and x-axis with the line is a, 0. Again, consider one variable point, x, y. This is the variable point. Now, here again in this case, slope of BR, if you will take slope of BR, it will be equal to slope of AB because they coincides. Now slope of BR जब हम find out करेंगे, it is simply y minus b upon x minus 0 equal to slope of AB is 0 minus b upon a minus 0. अब इसको हम simplify करते हैं. So y minus b upon x is equal to minus b upon a. Now cross multiplication will give you ay minus ab is equal to minus xb. अब हम x and y के टर्म्स को एक तरफ लिखेंगे. So xb plus ay and जो constant term है that is ab on another side. Now dividing throughout by ab. अगर हम ab से both side में divide करते हैं तो we will get x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 and this is called double intercept form. इसको जो है हम कहते हैं double intercept form. तो एक सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल अगर हम ले कि सपोज x इंटरसेप्ट दिया हुआ है 2 एंड y इंटरसेप्ट जो है वो है -3, तो इक्वेशन क्या होगी? वेरी सिंपल थिंग. सो इक्वेशन विल बी सिंपली x अपॉन x इंटरसेप्ट इज 2, सो x अपॉन 2 प्लस y अपॉन y इंटरसेप्ट इज -3, सो -3 इज इक्वल टू 1. अब इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. सिंप्लीफाई करने का मतलब होता है एक फॉर्म में लेकर आना जहाँ पे x, y के टर्म्स और कांस्टेंट टर्म साथ में एक तरफ होंगे एंड दूसरी तरफ होगा 0. तो अगर उसको हमने लाना है तो इट इज सिंपली 3x प्लस 2y प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो ये जो हो गया ये उसका फॉर्म हो गया. ये इस तरह से हम इक्वेशन लिखते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन. तो बच्चों जो हमने अभी तक फॉर्म्स देखे that is slope point form, then after that slope intercept form, 2-point form and double intercept form, and whichever example I have taken उसमें आपको equations कुछ इस तरह से मिली होंगी. मतलब हर एक फॉर्म में जो है वो इक्वेशन का टाइप जो है वो कुछ इस तरह से आता है जहां पे एक टर्म x का, दूसरा टर्म y का और एक कांस्टेंट टर्म होता है एंड राइट हैंड साइड में हम 0 रखते हैं. तो उसी के बेसिस पे वी कैन राइट जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ equation of a line, and general form is given by ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is called general form of equation of a line where a, b and c are real numbers, they are constants, and x and y are the coordinates of the variable point. So this is how we give general form of equation of a line. And अगर ये general equation आपके पास है तो by looking at this equation we can find slope. हम slope लिख सकते हैं. Slope of this line will be simply minus a by b. उसके बाद हम x intercept भी लिख सकते हैं. x intercept is simply minus c by a and y intercept is simply minus c by b. तो अगर ये जनरल फॉर्म आपके पास है देन दिस इज हाउ वी कैन राइट स्लोप, एक्स इंटरसेप्ट एंड वाई इंटरसेप्ट. जैसे कि अगर हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, सपोज जो इक्वेशन दी हुई है वो है 2x प्लस 5y प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन Now by looking at this line, we can say that capital A is 2, B is 5 and C is 9. मतलब अगर आप इस इक्वेशन को इसके साथ कंपेयर करते हो तो दिस इज व्हाट वी विल गेट. And by using these value we can write slope. What is slope? Slope is minus a by b. तो minus a by b मतलब simply minus 2 by 5. देन हम x इंटरसेप्ट लिख सकते हैं. x इंटरसेप्ट यहाँ पर देखिए इट इज माइनस c बाय a. तो माइनस c बाय a मतलब माइनस 9 by 2. एंड फाइनली y इंटरसेप्ट which is minus c by b मतलब minus 9 by 5. So this is the general form which is very 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 important, and this is one example of general form where we can find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Now we will be solving some problems, and problems are from NCERT book, that is class 11 की जो book है उसमें से आपको straight lines के problems अभी हम कुछ solve करेंगे.